What's up, everybody? This is Prizm FOTL. Fresh case. Pick your color number 13. The first three boxes, guys. We are doing the Silverado by the divisions. Good luck. Dice roll got to be ace deuce or higher. We're going 9 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth and final is what the dice roll says. Good luck. There it is. Nostalgia up top. BMC on the bottom.
Rock and roll, right?
Rocking and rolling. Good luck. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth and final. The site is a little slow.
Yeah.
Here is your division.
Getting ready for tomorrow.
It
Get your
is.
waters over there.
Oh, thank you. I'm good on the waters, though, but
Yeah?
thank you. Yeah, yep, no worries.
Good luck,
AFC
thank you.
North, NFC South. Nostalgia.
Brush. Did I throw the brush away?
Um,
Brush it? Nope.
Don't see it. NFC North. Andrew. Del Toro with the East. Don't worry, I'll show you guys your teams. I normally write out all your teams. NFC West for Soba. Audio J with the AFC South and NFC East. AFC West, the tight lines. There you guys go. Oh, I don't know why it looks ugly like that. Why does it look ugly?
It's ugly. Ugly muggly.
It does. Hold on, let me format paint that. How come it looks so ugly? Hold on, I'm formatting it 1 second. That way the sorter's got no problems. Here you go. There's your guys' teams. Kind of ugly, I know, but obviously I'll call it out. Doesn't matter about what you see over here. I just try to do this for you guys. Good luck.
Thank you. He's laughing.
What is happening? Oh, I know what happened.
So ugly. What?
Good luck.
Don't be
No,
sorry.
it wasn't working out.
Oh,
I
good.
didn't want to print.
I'd rather
It
have you
wasn't on
take
the.
care
It
of
wasn't
that
set on the
before-
other one.
Yeah, I'd rather have you take care of that. Teamwork, baby, teamwork. All right.
Good luck.
Good luck. Thank you.
Oh, we printed it out twice. Oh no.
It didn't print out?
Oh, I see. Nope.
We're all good?
Yep, all good. It's 3 sheets. Good luck. Here we go. We're gonna push through 13, 14, 15, and 16. Yeah, we can do more divisionals. I'm down with it. That was smart. I don't know why. I always forget to run divisionals on this side. I don't know why I always do. It's just because we don't normally do it, you know.
Yeah.
AJ Terrell and Ferguson. There's our first Caleb base. Silver of Marvin Harrison for the silver non. And Tyrion Arnold on the orange wave, number to 60. There's Johnny Wilson on the blue wave. Reggie Wayne on the blue shimmer non. Base of Odunze. Mike Quick. First time I seen him on the hyper. Non. Red shimmer of Josh Allen for the red shimmer non-autograph spots. Silver of Spencer Rattler, and our first auto is a bear. And it's Bagnett. It was a QB. Second year of Tyson Bagnett for the red shimmer autograph spot in Yak Attack. He's on the board. He's one of my favorite blokes.
Yeah.
Second auto of the break is a silver autograph of Mr. Jeremy Chin. Who had Washington? Who had the NFC East? Audio J gets the Jeremy Chin. Harrington. Bowers. DK. And Ed Oliver on the orange. I love you, Yak. You know I do. Where's Heath? I didn't see Heath today, Yak. Where's Heath?
Oh, that's Heath's
Fisky.
brother?
Yep.
Yes. Yak.
Jim Hart on the red shimmer autograph.
No idea.
No idea. You're not his
He's
keeper.
like, whatever.
Ask his wife. Got it.
Yeah.
Green shimmer to start. Green shimmer rookie for the Colts. Anthony Gold for the Colts. Green shimmer non-autograph. Nostalgia. Xavier Worthy and Brooks. Box 2. Silver of J-Love. Hunter Renfrow, 2019 rookie. For the Raiders. Who had the Raiders in the West? BMC Tight Lines had Hunter
Right.
Renfrow. Tight Lines.
Right.
DJ. That's a sick Panther, too. A green shimmer auto of Julius Peppers. Nice hit.
That's nice.
Hunter Renfrow, yeah. Penix, yeah.
It's like, what?
First time we saw Hunter Renfrow. Juju. Green scope. Jordan Travis base. Mari Cooper and Kendre orange. Bucky. No lack of Raiders in this product, sir. And we begin.
Here we go.
Ballin', Paulin'.
Really?
We beginning again.
That's cool.
Red shimmer of Caleb Williams.
Wow. Ballin'.
Paulin'.
There he
28
is.
of 35.
Let's go.
Oh boy.
There you go,
It's just that kind of night for
I'm
me.
telling you, man. People, this,
Guys, it's literally just
this
this.
other case is gonna be, I don't know. I'm calling it. Congrats, Ballin'.
This is ridiculous. Paulin', my man, my guy. Let's go. This is absolutely insane. We had the juice.
Save the best.
Yep. Juice. Fucking stupid. This is stupid.
Yeah, it's like, yeah.
Ballin', let me know. If not, I'm beating the sort for you on that. Bo Jackson on the orange. Nice. Marvin. Coleman and Dwight Freeney on the blue shimmer. Jaden Daniels. Oh my God. Mojo of Estime. I saw the Broncos for the Mojo spot. Nice Estime. Ayuk. Oh my goodness. My heart was about to sink. Sean, I'll get you pictures in a minute. Or I'll have Marge get me pictures.
Yes. Okay, I'll get that to you after this break.
Renfro to Kragos. I'm going to take a front and back, a clean picture for me.
Absolutely.
Of just Caleb.
Or after the break.
Jaquan Jackson, gold shimmer. JJ. So Gervon Dexter follows Caleb Williams. Malachi Corley silver and Scary Terry. Guys, if you guys are going to buy into a break, buy in. We already seen Caleb might be the trick. There's a true gold in this.
Mm-hmm.
There is a true gold. There's a true gold rookie. There is a true gold rookie. True gold rookie. And you guys made me wait an extra 20 minutes to fill this break. You guys can wait an extra 20 minutes to see the true gold rookie. James Cook on the purple ice behind that. You guys can wait another 20 minutes. So you guys better fill the next one if you guys want more heat. Pacheco red shimmer is pretty sick. Travis. Silver of Cousin Tua and Quincy Williams for the Jets. Where's Jets? East. AFC East, sorry. Del Toro. Del Toro gets his first autograph. Go, Eddie. First hit with us.
Hey.
Little something. DJ James. Wesley Walker. JJ. Patriots with the Drake Mays silver. Marshall Faulk orange. Bucky. Yeah, no worries, Tony. Also, Tony, if you did purchase, do me a favor. You do need to do it. You need to email shipping@theblez.com. If somebody could take that in the chat for me. Email shipping@theblez. Give them your unique breaking name. If you're Tony C911 or whatever it is, you got to give them your legal name and your shipping information. It's got to match on our website. So if you can email shipping@theblez.com. Thank you, Kragos.
Thank you, Kragos.
We're going to have another one, guys. We're going to have another hot case. Silver non of Mike Penix. Telling you, purple of Devonta. So make sure you email that. That's the most important, Tony. Nico Collins on a red shimmer autograph. So let us know when that's done and we can confirm. I'll get your order number afterwards. Trey McBride, purple ice. May and Mike Alstott on the blue shimmer. Last stack and we'll see true gold. Last stack and we're going to see true gold. Keon. Not before we see a green shimmer. Corum? Wow. Green shimmer non of Cousin Puka for nostalgia.
What?
We might be going on another run, guys. 1 of 5. I thought I couldn't do it, but I'm starting to believe I can do it. I'm starting to believe I can do it. Nostalgia that's going to beat. DJ Moore silver, Minshew hyper. Jaden Daniels base. I'm starting to believe. Christian Watson, third year. Blue shimmer to 25. Purple of JJ. Jersey match. Jersey color match. 21 of 125 for the purple true. Ashlamovich.
Ash.
That's going to go to grading.
There's Ash.
And Penix. That's going to go to grading. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. If the rest of this case isn't filled, don't talk to me.
Oh.
Don't talk to me.
Oh.
Just don't. I'm serious.
Come on, you guys.
I'm feeling it now. I'm in the bro.
Yo.
I was being nice. I was trying to be realistic and not like boast myself too much.
And how's that working out for you?
Beyond not good because we're hitting.
Yeah.
Ash freaking Lamovich. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible.
Damn, dog.
That's gonna go to grading for Ash Lamovich. We can send that to grading for sure, yeah. He trusts me to make the calls. Let's see gold. No way. Kragos, don't look. True gold of Flower Bowers. Oh my goodness. Cougs. 9 of 10 of Flower Bowers.
Yeah.
Ooh-wee. Oh my gosh. No, did you watch that last case, Sean? Oh, you did. Of course you did. Duh. This is stupid.
Like insane. Dumb. Like, I'm dumbfounded right now, though.
Absolutely insane.
My hands are hurting.
Yeah,
In a good way.
I know. No, I know. I
In
know.
a good way, though. In like the good and best way.
This is nuts.
What the?
Del Toro, nice to meet you, brother. Hell yeah, I appreciate you.
Okay.
We'll be back on for sure, though, Del Toro, so no worries. We're on every day. Tomorrow's going to be a little unique with some Prizm hobby, but obviously, come on back. Or even if you don't buy, you're always welcome to hang out. We got 3 more breaks of this stuff left, guys. Definitely attack. QBs have been heavy in the last 2 cases. They've been heavy. They've been heavy. I'm not getting off till all 3 of the rest of these breaks go.
Good night,
Not going to get off.
Thank you.
Good night, GS. Garrett, my brother. Good to see you on this side. I haven't talked to you in a minute. If I don't see you again, I'm off tomorrow, but have a great holiday season. If I don't see you, I'm here all week, don't worry. But in case I don't see you. Penix Silver. Scary Terry. Estime on the image variation mojo. Nice Pacheco red shimmer. I have a feeling. Nostalgia. You know, I just don't want to overhype it and then fucking disappoint. That's what I'm trying not to do. Bagnet. Nico Collins, Peppers. JJ going to go to grading for you, Ashlo. I know you're waiting for that. That is number 21 of 125. If I'm wrong, Ashlo, please just email. Got you. Nostalgia, of course, that's going to beat the sort. Paulin. Beautiful, Caleb. Beat the sort. True Gold. Non for Cougs. Also going to beat the sort. 4 beats. Sorry. 3 beats and 1 going to grading. 3 beat the sorts and 1 going to grading. And that is the break. Thank you, everybody. Anytime, Ballin. That was my biggest hit for you, my man.